It's July 4th, I want to go to the beach, but I don't want to contract a deadly disease. I've come up with a plan that I think has no flaws. I'm gonna bring the scent of the coast to my schnoz. It's Independence Day, baby, but times are a little crazy. Whip out your goggles and put on your sandals, then strike a match and light the beach day candle. Get your sunscreen applied, but then just stay inside, 'cause human interaction is too much to handle. Don't be afraid of the beach day candle. All you need is some wax and a wick. If you don't have those, use a fragrance stick. Use it in your kitchen, your bathroom or den, your living room, your porch, or your kitchen again. I understand that some of you will still go outside because your nasal passages aren't satisfied. But if you go to the beach, I give you one measly task: social distance, and please fucking wear a mask. I think I'm getting the notion that you wanna go in the ocean, but before you do, I'm looking at you, Randall. Maybe consider using a beach day candle. As much as I like a trip to way down